Hi guys, good day. Welcome to my um, YouTube channel. First of all, what we said last week actually came in, but what happened was that this was where it was before. We kept it like this way. Remember, I'm not a market maker. This is not a financial advice. Kindly do your own analysis before going for this. So price came back. It didn't actually come to tap to this fair value gap or this part here. Price just came. Price went down a bit to this point and then started going up. So I was expecting this high to be taken last week, but I know that we're going up, but we didn't actually go that get what we're looking for. And in the weekly time frame, it's looking like we're about to see a CRT down, but it's until this candle stop printing, that's when we'll know okay what we're looking at in the weekly. So this officially is not what we're looking at. We're looking at the rest of the candle and how this is. So price has been coming down from this particular level for a long time. So I went back to check and I saw this candle, this other block right here. There's another block, this other block right here. So I'm feeling like, oh, maybe that's what is holding price. And maybe that's what is holding price. But initially and still, my this thing is bullish. I want to see price going up. That's what I want to see. Though what we're seeing here is an order block. All this order block that has been created up here that I want to push price down, plus this other block. But what I want is to see BTC go up this week. That's what I think will happen. But still, with all this confluence, we cannot just ignore them, because after all this other block, we're also seeing a CRT right here. This is a CRT. We cannot just ignore them. So what we have to do is that we have to go for scalping. When price comes down here, we scalp for a buy. Then if you have a runner, you can leave your runner going up. Then when price is up here and you see a change of state of delivery, you can go for a sell. But what I want to see in BTC is a buy, because this is a very strong push candle. Look at this. Then come down. It didn't even go down. It went up again. So I want to see a buy in BTC this coming week. That's what I think I should see. But I'm not the market maker. I can be wrong. I can be right. Just make sure it fall align with your strategy when you're going to take the trade. So now, what do I see here? What am I looking at the buy? This is another block right here. This is a breaker block right here, and right here, this is another confluence of a breaker block. So price, this other block and breaker block are building up and they are building down, but I think that the one that should take the this thing stronger push should be the down. So I'm thinking price is going to the upside. That is what I'm. But kindly do your analysis very well, especially this week. Do your analysis thoroughly, because this can just be some little bit of manipulation that might want to happen in the market for us to go down, then later go up again. So you should be careful. And one thing you should have in mind this week is that whatever you're taking, whatever trade you're taking, don't change your mind too much. Be stuck on get a bias. When you get the bias, enter a trade specifically to that bias. And when maybe you get stopped out or anything, just leave. When you get stopped out the first time and the second time, just leave the trade. Leave it. Let it show you where it's going to. Let's say I take a buy from here and I get stopped out the first time. Then I take a buy from here and I get stopped out the second time. I will leave the trade until I know where it's going to. When it gets here, if I see a very strong push, then I can take it up, because this place is a very strong friendly zone going up. And when it gets here, because I'm looking for a buy, you understand, So let's just leave BTC and go down to, let me just show you something BTC. If I'm looking for a buy, this is where I'm looking for a buy from. I'm seeing this. I don't want this video to take a long time, so I'll just spend a little bit of time on this thing. So I'm seeing this. So this is where I'm looking for a buy from. Maybe a little bit of liquidity after this consolidation, liquidity sweep, then we go up. But I'm looking for a buy right here. So, or if this keep on going on, giving me another block or change state of delivery right here, I can still look for a buy up here. So that's what I'm looking at, and I'm coming for this high. If not this high, first of all, I'll go for this high right here. This one I draw out, because it terms that when price push into that, there might be a push down. So I can just look for something and take my profit here. So let's go to gold. And in gold, we start from the weekly. So what I said last week in gold was it's still what I'm saying this week, but what I'm seeing now, I'm seeing a CRT form in this place. I'm seeing this other block, weekly other block stand, this other weekly other block stand also. So it looks like gold wants to go up, but wait first, we are not sure if gold wants to go up. We are not sure. We don't want to start assuming things. So first of all, my analysis still stand a bit last. Okay. So gold to, I'm not having a very clear bias in gold, because of all those things I'm seeing in the weekly show me that okay, price might want to go up. And look at this right here again in the daily. So there might be a consolidation right here, because my initial bias was gold will push for a buy from here to this point, which we were right, it pushed for a buy from here to this point and push for a sell, but something just changed. I don't know, maybe because of the news on, was it on Thursday? There was a news on Thursday in USD NFP. So I don't know if it was because of the news, but something changed right here, and I think gold might want to buy. So this week I'll also be careful on gold to know what's going to happen and be sure before I gold might want to buy. So I need to be sure before going into any trade. So that's it. Thank you guys. On BTC, my what I'm seeing is that I want BTC wants to go up because of the strong push. That's what I'm seeing on BTC. But there's this little bit of consolidation that might happen. But I'm seeing BTC. I'm seeing BTC to go up. And if it doesn't go up, I'm not the market maker. I'll quickly try and see if I can change. If I can change anything, if there's a change in direction or bias for me, I'll try and see. But if I can pick it up fast, I will enter it. If I can't, I'll leave it. Gold is showing me that it wants to go up right here. That's what gold is showing me. After last week was a bit bearish, but look at this. The daily time frame is showing hey bullish. The weekly time frame is showing hey bullish, because we have this other block here and we have this other block here, and it's pushing price for this side. We have a CRT here, and this high has not been taken of the CRT. So that's showing that okay, if you open right here, open low, high and close, so there's a possibility that we might go up and close here, and that will create another order block right here for us to push up. But I'm not the market maker. I'm not let's just see what's happening. And look at this in the monthly time frame. This is a CRT going down, so we can't judge. Let's just see what's there. This, we still have about 25 days before this new candle close, so a lot can happen. That's why I stick to the weekly and the daily. A lot can happen before that monthly close. So what I'm seeing in the daily is a buy. I'm seeing in the weekly a buy. Is what I'm seeing right now. Thank you guys. Do have a good day.